Okay, we're seasoned up and we're gonna get them into the rib rings.
Okay.
Now, a couple things I like to do first is I'm gonna take some foil. This is gonna make for easier cleanup.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take a piece of foil
Yeah.
and I'm gonna take the base of the rib rings. Help me out here, it's a little windy. And we're gonna kind of form it to the pan.
Okay.
Okay. And now that we have that form of the pan, we're gonna lay the rib rings in there.
Okay.
The other thing I like to do, this is the probe holder, okay? So we're gonna clip the probe on there,
All right.
is I'll just get a little spray oil onto the rib rings, right? Just to coat them.
So non-stick?
It's non-stick, yeah.
Okay.
And this is actually really easy to clean up because you can put this right in the dishwasher.
Oh, really?
Both the rib ring itself and
Yeah.
the pan are dishwasher safe.
Perfect.
So when you're done,
Yeah.
you just get a little like Dawn on there.
Yeah.
And then put it right in the dishwasher and
Yeah.
then wipe it down when you're done.
That's
Easy to
great.
clean up.
Okay. Sounds
Okay.
good.
So the first thing we're doing, we're gonna layer these into the rings,
Mhm.
right? So when we look at the ribs, we have the side that we cut, which is the thicker side of the bone,
Okay.
and then we have the thinner side of the bone that we didn't cut. That's where the meat is gonna receive from the bone and we're gonna look at doneness.
Okay.
So we want that to be up.
All right.
So we're gonna lay them in the rib ring, just like this. And we can put 3 on the outside.
Okay.
Put this one.
Other side.
No, that's the right side.
Really?
Yep. Okay.
Got him.
Yeah, so this is the fat side of the bone where we cut.
Okay.
This is the thinner side.
Okay.
And then we're gonna lay them in. So we're gonna put 2 in the next level.
And then 1 in the
And then
center.
1 in the center. Now, so you only have
Look how good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks.
Yeah.
You have the whole center open, throw a whole chicken in there.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
A whole chicken?
Exactly. You can do wings, you can do chicken legs, you can do a whole chicken in there.
So it's not just a rib ring.
It's not just a rib ring. And then we're gonna put that center one right in there.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the cooker. You
Okay.
can do that for me.
Okay.
And I'm gonna lay this whole beautiful crown of ribs in that cooker.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so now the rib ring is on. We're gonna use this little probe clip to clip the probe to so it's above the meat. It's not touching the meat. And we're gonna close the lid. And now we're cooking.